Right guys, welcome to another video. So you may notice this is not the Africa Twin. I've sold the Africa Twin and I've got a new bike. So this is an XSR700. I've had the 900 previously, but I wasn't too keen on that. So I thought I would give the 700 a go. So there's quite a few things I want to do to this bike. It's already got the gaiters on it, which I like. It's got a little fly screen on it. I'm going to put a tail tidy on it, probably some lower handlebars, and possibly the comfort seat, I'm not sure. But in today's video, I have had a delivery. Black Widow exhaust, full system, so going to be fitting that. So before we fit that, I'll just give you a sound check of what the standard one sounds like. It sounds pretty gutless. So let's get this new exhaust on. So when you order the exhaust from Black Widow, they send you an email with the installation guide. So this is for the MT-07, it's exactly the same bike pretty much, and talks you all through it step by step, which is good. So the first step is they recommend disconnecting the battery. A lot of people don't bother with that, but it's on here, so I might as well. So next job is to take these, I don't know if you can see them, these nuts off the flanges, off the studs, and then take those plates down. So that one's loose. What's this next one? Whoa! Bloody hell. I don't think these have ever been off before. It's a 2018 bike, so it's like 8 years or something, isn't it? Oh, that one's tight. Jesus. Alright, next up, let's take these two. Take these two out. Should be alright there. That. Just to get into that nut there. So we've got a 12 nearly it. There's one on the other side as well. Support the downpipes in my hammer off. Oh. Forgot to take that off. Got it in the end. Finally. Right. I just had to pop into the house quickly to get some gloves because it's that hot. I can literally barely hold on to this. I think temperature yesterday was like 36 degrees. Ridiculous. These have just been sat in the sun whilst I've been doing this. So, I want to scratch these now. Number up there. Nice welding. Don't know if the camera's picking that up, but decent penetration in there as well. Tidy. Right. You also get this assembly paste, and then spring puller, springs, some brackets and stuff. Cheers. The wife's a good one. Oh God, that's good. Legs are burning in this sun. Clip this O2 sensor back in. Now the big reveal. So I went for the 300mm carbon tip. And it's like a, I don't know what it's called, it's like a triangular kind of shape. So yeah, let's get it on. And I went for the 300mm. Just hoping it's not going to stick out too much. A lot of people go for the 200 and they look bang on like, but they're quite noisy apparently. Paddock stands in the way. Right. Don't know when I should have put these springs on. Probably ages ago. One on. That's two on. Get this battery back on. Okay, moment of truth, fired it up. In gear. Give it a minute to warm up. So that was it with the decibel killer in. And this is with the decibel killer out. Very loud. Probably a bit too loud for me that, so I will be putting the decibel killer back in. So hopefully you've enjoyed that video and it might help some of you. I'll put the links in the description for the exhaust and all that. And yeah, see you next time. Bye for now.